Afam. Parang nga ba sila sa kaligayahan? This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching Kitty Show. Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. Before we even go to our topic on having an afam, ikaw ba, would you entertain an afam suitor? Given the chance?
Only because if he's intelligent.
You will not just go for the looks.
Intelligence comes first.
Sa'yo. At dahil kaya namin pinag-uusapan ng AFAM, ako, ayoko na i-share yung mga AFAM stories.
Nakakaloka ang mga Boracay
Yes!
My God!
Kaya ka naman Boracay episode ko so many years ago.
Parang ikaw yung character ni Barbie Fortesa
In a galaxy far, far away. Anyhow, paano lumabas tong kwento na ito, Mare, na Bel Mariano is seen, am I correct? Or being followed whatsoever? Ano ba yung connection ni Bel Mariano sa isang model na natago natin sa pangalang Don Fuga?
Kasi there were pictures which surfaced in Reddit.
Okay.
Parang mga four pictures.
4 photos of Reddit. In Reddit? On Reddit na?
3 were solo photos.
Of Bel?
Of Don. Of Don Fuga.
Mm-hmm.
One was a group photo where Don Fuga's face was inserted. Encircled. Tapos nandun din si Bel.
Mm-hmm.
Nakaupo si Bel sa circular table, round table. Tapos the guys were naka-line up sa likod na parang wala yung.
Okay, question. Why was Fuga's face encircled?
To make the public know na siya yun. Encircled yung guy.
Siya because he is like, is he courting Bel Mariano or is
ang nakalagay doon parang boyfriend?
Oh, okay.
Parang, ito yung jowa
ni Bel.
Parang ganon.
Pero, chismis naman dati pa na kaya talaga hindi nagkakatuluyan or nagkainlaban si Donnie Pangilinan at si Bel Mariano is because respectively they are in a relationship with other people. So is this just a case of 1 + 1 = 2 o totoo talaga ito ang jowa ni Bel?
It is not a verified information.
Okay.
Because si Bel Mariano hindi pa nagre-react.
Okay.
There was no outright denial. There was no outright admission. Diba? Wala. So everything is gossip.
Everything is still speculative. Okay. Number 2, if AFAM meaning ibang lahi.
Yeah.
Ano ba to? Europeo, Amerikano, Australiano?
He looks Caucasian.
Basta Caucasian, maputi.
Oo, maputi.
So, we do not know whether it's American, Australian, European. Or Canadian. Wala pang ganon.
Basta, the one thing that is sure and verifiable is that when I lurk dun sa Instagram account ng Don Fuga, naka-private mode.
Naka-private?
Tapos, nakalagay, following siya kay Bel Mariano.
Oh.
Parang that gives you something.
Okay.
Diba?
That adds fuel to the imagination. Okay. Is he good looking?
Very.
Very good looking. Better looking than Donnie?
Donnie kasi, boyishly handsome. Eto medyo mature. Pero handsome still.
Handsome still.
Parang if Donnie is 20-something, parang ito is parang 30-something. Or late 20. 20s
Kasi
siya.
parang mid-20s pala si Donnie at si Bel. So, nananali ka ba na afam talaga ang suksi sa kaligayahan? Kasi ang buhay na patotoo niya si Maymay Entrata. Diba? Ang jowa ngayon, afam. Yung ex-jowa niya, afam. So, sa tingin mo, ito talaga ang kind of person na makakapagpapaligaya sa isang Bel Mariano?
Dalawang bagay kasi yan.
First bagay.
The first thing is how the AFAM, if ever they are true na couple, had known Belle.
For kaya na nakatagal.
Oo.
That's what you're pointing at.
Hindi.
Okay.
How? Oo.
Gano'n niya kakilala?
Paano niya nakilala?
Oh.
Di ba kasi, ano yun tawag dito, starting point of conversation yun
That will establish the timeline.
No.
Yung kung time,
no,
panahon ba nila
Hindi. Because it's how, tawag dito, may mga factors encircling the how. Ibig sabihin, were they introduced? By whom? By Belle's friend? Or by Don Fuga's friend?
Okay.
It will matter Were they introduced by the relative of Don Fuga? Or the relative of Belle Mariano? Diba?
What I'm pointing out about the timeline is, bang friendship na ito nagsimula nung panahon ng Don Belle?
Hindi kasi na-establish Oo, hindi na-establish yun But what is interesting to know is that does this Don Fuga knew already that Belle is a popular actress in the Philippines before he came to know her?
Okay.
Kasi magmamatter yun Di ba? Or was he not aware that Belle is popular?
And part of a very popular love team.
Kasi magmamatter yun.
Okay. Question. Curious question. What if totoo nga na nung panahon ng Don Belle, nandiyan na si Mr. Fuga? Will that create a different scenario?
Kung nandun na si Dr. Fuga.
Kumbaga,
Don Fuga.
andyan na. Ngayon lang lumitaw kasi tapos na yung love team. Kumbaga, ever since the love team started, andyan na siya. The constant. Kaya lang, naitago ng magaling na magaling. Will that change anything?
Yes.
In what way? In what sense?
Kasi, kung nandyan na si Don Fuga since the start, ibig sabihin, he so loved Belle that he did not
mind.
He did not mind. Hindi siya nakailang. He didn't meddle.
Hindi umepal.
Walang ganon. That says a lot about his personality.
And he's being a guy.
Di ba?
Secure siya sa pagkalalaki niya.
Ibig
At
sabihin,
secure siya sa relasyon nila ni Belle.
Ibig sabihin din, wala siyang pakialam kung malinkman si Belle kay Donnie being her leading man in most of his projects.
Kung totoo, kung gano'n ang premise, Fuga talaga trust Belle. Diba?
Fully. 101%. Diba? Which, kasi parang, ang foreigner, parang gano'n ang thinking nila They will never get insecure. Diba? Parang gano'n. Hindi katulad ng Pilipino.
Lalo na trabaho mo yan.
Hindi katulad ng mga Pilipino na, diba? Hindi pwedeng, kissing-kissing. Gano'n, diba? Ganon. So, yun ang sagot ko.
Ako, whatever is the case, I just really hope one of these days we get the truth about Fuga and Miss Mariano. Because at this point in time, wala na naman yung Don Belle love team. And I think talagang magkakaroon sila ng separate careers. At kung magpabalikan ba sila sa pelikula, siguro matagal-tagal pa. So sa akin, sana nga, ito na yung pagkakataon na magpakatotoo na si Belle at magpakatotoo na rin sa Donnie kung sino talaga yung mga minamahal.
What is interesting to note here is that why is Belle not reacting? Why is Belle not correcting or not admitting? Of course, I'm sure nakarating na sa kanya yan. Diba? Kasi nag-react nga yung glam team. Diba?
Na nag-deny.
Na it's fake news. Diba? So, kasi dalawa lang yan It's either
it's real or not.
It's either kontrahin niya yung sinabi nung glam team niya or i-admit yung sinabi ng glam team niya. There's no in-between.
Ako kasi, basta ang mga nagsasalita, glam team, RN, PA, I will not take it with a grain of salt. Ang katotohanan, tanging kay Belle Mariano lang manggagaling. Kung ano lang ang sasabihin niya, doon ako makikinig. Pero kung sino-sino lang ang mga nagsusumbong, nagkasabi-sabi, RM, personal assistant, PA, ano lang yan?
Hindi rin.
Hindi
Hindi rin. Maski sa Bella,
Ah,
huwag ka rin manalig.
kay Belle?
Kay Belle.
Bakit? Sinungaling rin siya?
Hindi.
Ano siya?
Belle being a talent.
Oh.
May talent manager yan.
Pero,
Di ba? Sasabihin ng talent manager, wag mong aaminin.
Pero at this point in time,
makakasira sa'yo.
at this point in time, wala naman siyang love team to protect. Ano pang makakasira? At lalo na mukhang maganda naman ata yung background ng modelo.
Lalo na.
Oh.
Kasi, that gives her the disadvantage na hindi na siya available. Yung mga fans ganon.
Ganun ba yun?
Kailangan available ka.
Talaga
Kailangan,
ba?
oo, kailangan may sense of mystery ka. Ay, kung identified ka na may boyfriend kang ganon,
Talaga ba?
sa mga fans ganon.
May ganun pa rin ba? Well,
Oo.
anyhow, wala akong magagawa
Diba?
sa mga fans kung ganyan-ganyan kayo mag-isip.
Everything boils down to economics. So, talagang aanuhin yan. Alam mo, lahat ng talent manager, di ba? Aanuhin nila yan. Magre-react sila, they will guide you.
Eh, what if isang araw si
Ay!
Donnie Pangilinan ilabas ang girlfriend?
Ay, wala ka na magagawa doon.
Oh.
Oo.
Di naman niya kailangan
mauna na
economics,
siya.
mayaman naman siya.
Oo nga, wala ka na magagawa doon. Take, for example, di ba?
Oh.
Yung isang talent manager, pinabawalan yung boyfriend ng isang actress, di ba? Oo, di ba? It all boils down to economy.
Okay.
Ano ka ba? Yun ang strategy. Kasi, they are sold as merchandise. So, they have to appeal. Di ba? They have to be Kasi, parang yan parang yung axe to your career.
Okay.
Di ba? Not unless, ang nakatuluyan mo, yung collab team mo.
Well, sa akin kasi kung
Diba?
ganyan pala lang pananalig nila, I just really find it so dated.
It's so dated, pero pinapractice pa until now.
And on that
Diba?
note, may pinapractice pa siya until now. This is Alwad Ignacio, the Diva That You Love. The good with me is my kamaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brasas.
And you are watching the Sunday episode of the TT Show, the Rhea Natala Kayan Showbiz Edition.